Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a contact lens bottle. The last contact lens video I did on my page had over 7,000 views, which is why I'm going to be showing you guys something else today.
So when you get to your contact lens, of course I have a video on this already on my page. You see the bottles, you know, these are where your contact lenses come in. They don't put the contact lens together. That's why you have two bottles, one for the right eye and one for the other eye. So of course you'll be wondering, how do I open this bottle? Looking at it like this, and that is the essence of this video. So the first thing you want to do to be able to open this bottle is to look for a sign. There's an open sign there. Look at that sign. This sign, when you see this sign on the bottle, that's exactly where you're going to open the bottle from. Okay, so this sign right here is where you're going to open the bottle from. Just take it from there and flip it up. Can you see? When you flip it up, it just opens straight up like that. And after you're done that, like you see, it reveals the opening of the bottle, and then you go ahead and open it from there. Can you see how easy that is? That is so easy, guys. And voila, your contact lens is open. Now a lot of people have problem with this. That is why, you know, I have come to, you know, give you this video on how you can open your contact lens bottle. The other one too, you are going to go ahead and just do it exactly like this. Okay, you look for that right side, you flip it open, you understand, and then you try, you see the same thing, and then you try to open it all the way from there. Then of course after that, you're going to reveal your beautiful contact lens. So you're going to just go ahead, take the rubber, the right rubber and the left rubber. You go ahead and wash it. I've already washed it before I started this video, of course. And then you take your contact lens from the bottle and you put it in one of the rubbers. Okay, that's after you've put the contact lens water, like the solution inside. Then you take the second one and do the exact same thing. And that's going to be it on this video today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to, you know, come back and watch more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video. Let me know if this video was helpful.